Good morning. So this is our 60-inch pizza prep table. Our airflow moves from the rear to the front, so you get an even airflow throughout the rail. One other thing that we offer is our night mode and our day mode. So really, to accomplish that is you can leave your product in the rail overnight without having to take it out and put it down in the storage. You can actually close the lids, leave the product in there, come in the morning, and you won't actually have to, and it won't freeze. That way, from a labor standpoint, it actually saves the operator from having to take the product out, uncover it, and put it back into the rail.